Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to use turmeric for weight loss. Now, every year we spend billions of dollars on weight loss gadgets and natural and synthetic supplements, and we even spend a lot on surgeries. But despite all these efforts, the obesity epidemic seems to be getting worse. Now, you may have seen a rise in new weight loss diets that promises magical transformations, but also end up disappointing you. But what you fail to understand is that what works for one person may not necessarily work for you because our bodies are different. However, you still have the same bodily functions and system as the next person. And so you can be successful in losing weight if you address the main cause of the problem. So if you want to lose weight, the key thing to focus on is natural ingredients. They would ensure that your body remains in optimal health even as you shed off the unwanted pounds. So one of the best natural ingredients that you can use to lose weight is an Asian spice known as turmeric, and according to research, taking turmeric extract by mouth twice a day for at least 3 months reduces total cholesterol in your body. So if you're overweight, turmeric helps to fight the bad cholesterol in your body. Now here's the deal. When it comes to taking turmeric for weight loss, it is best to take it in its natural form. However, unless you're going to cook with it every day, it's kind of impossible to get the amount needed to be effective. So as such, it is recommended that you go for a natural supplement alternative. Now when you're looking for a supplement, be sure to look for a supplement that is standardized for 95% curcuminoids, which is the active ingredient in turmeric. Now the brand we recommend on this channel is Turmeric Plus, and you can order your bottle from the official website by clicking the link in the description below this video. Note also that since this supplement will become part of your daily regime, it is best to order at least 3 bottles and you'll get a 4th one free. That would be the most economical choice. So let's get into how turmeric actually helps in weight loss. Well, let's look at the benefits of incorporating turmeric in your weight loss plan. Benefit number 1. Turmeric helps to lower bad cholesterol. Perhaps the most significant benefit of using turmeric for weight loss is the fact that it lowers bad cholesterol. The liquid extract from turmeric can help to reduce the chances of obesity. Also, in a recent study, scientists discovered that by using turmeric, you could even counteract the adverse effects of a junk food diet. Now, there's a compound in turmeric that is known as curcumin, and it is responsible for decreasing leptin levels and insulin resistance. And these are 2 factors which are closely associated with fat gain. So in short, when you take turmeric for weight loss, it leads to a healthy loss of fat and a decrease in insulin problems that might cause you to become overweight. Benefit number 2 of taking turmeric for weight loss. It speeds up diet-induced fat loss. What that means is that if you're on a diet and you're trying to lose weight, using turmeric can help you to speed up your fat loss process. You see, in one study, overweight people took part in a weight loss program that featured changes in their diet and lifestyle. Unfortunately, some of these individuals did not show any sign of improvement. However, after these people were treated using curcumin, their weight loss significantly improved, which means turmeric is a catalyst for fat loss. Now, benefit number 3, turmeric helps fat cells to self-destruct. Another way in which turmeric helps you lose weight is to fight unwanted fat by helping fat cells to destruct by a process which is known as apoptosis or cell death. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it will first attach itself to your fat cells, which will now start shrinking and contracting because blood vessels that were required to create fat tissues have been suppressed. So now you have 3 ways in which turmeric can help you to lose weight effectively if you incorporate it in your diet. For 5 more proven ways that turmeric can help you to shed unwanted fat, check out the link in the description below this video. That will take you to an article that shows you step by step and in more details how you can incorporate turmeric in your lifestyle to start losing weight more effectively. Note also that in order for you to get the required daily dosage of turmeric to be effective, you need to take a high quality turmeric supplement. One of the brands we recommend is Turmeric Plus because it is certified with 95% curcuminoids. So check out the link in the description below this video for a coupon code to try it. Also, the company currently have an offer where you can buy 3 bottles and get an additional 4th bottle free. So that means you'll receive a total of 4 bottles of Turmeric Plus. And since turmeric should be a part of your daily supplementation, I believe this is a very good deal that you should take advantage of. You can check below this video for a link to the official website of Turmeric Plus and also a coupon code to knock a few dollars off the total price. If you have any question whatsoever, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and please be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.